Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Zero wireless mobile power bank. That's this unit right here. It's magnetic. We'll show you that in just a moment. We have an iPhone 10 we're going to hook it up to wirelessly and power it. Comes with a easy to understand welcome guide and this back plate. You just peel this off right here, stick it to the inside of your case, like the case that's on this iPhone 10 right here. And these powerful magnets, once you line it up properly, there you go. We'll show that one more time. It's a very strong backing with strong magnets. There it is. So now that's attached, that would be like on the inside of your case. And since it's not MagSafe, nor is this phone MagSafe compatible, you'll be able to charge at the 5-watt speed like the Apple battery does. And it also has a USB-C port. That's how you recharge it. 10 watt can come out of it, 10 watt can go in, so that's pretty easy. And this easily comes off. It has a very strong set of magnets. This also can be used with the travel cube from Zero and the home dock as well. But for this, we'll show you how this works right here. So there's some pogo pins that work with the home dock right there, but you don't really need to worry about those unless you have the home dock or the travel cube. Here's the on button, green light, it's ready to go. And then you just set the phone right on top like that, and then it's charging. As you can see right here, it has the charging icon right there. That's very easy. Then it just comes right off. There's no magnetism right here because it's not MagSafe, it's just QI. It's very easy. Or you can use it with the USB-C cord that comes with. You can use this to charge it, or you have a USB-C to USB-C cord that you can use with charging this as well. And that is the Zero wireless mobile power bank, and it's available now. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.